Hi guys, in the previous lesson we created our test server and we tested it by a request by making calls for endpoints like primes, fib, odd, and rand. We received the response, we received header, and in this lesson we will continue write our test application, and exactly we will create main wrapper. It's a function in main that will create our server that will calls our test server. So first of all we should create main.go file, and in this file we will use a package main and main function main. Then we will write fmt print ln for no, to understand is our port run and what is it port, and then we'll create a handler for reading endpoint, like in previous lesson. Now it will be endpoint numbers, and the second parameter will be handler. Then we'll create HTTP listen and serve its function to listen and start our server on port 8080, and the second parameter is new. So our handle and then we will need to create a function for handler, and let's create a directory where we will put all our API function endpoints. So it is a API directory. Here I will create a file number.go where I will define all my endpoints. So first of all I need to create a handle numbers with two input parameters. It will be w http response writer and l http request. First of all we need to parse our input parameters that we will use in our request. So if it will be a get request, we need to parse all values for key u, and that key we set in a get function in line 6. So then we need to get all values from our test server. For this I will create models. It will be package, and in the package we will have structure name numbers and method find. In this method we put our a list of values from get request. As you can see it will be something like this, and then we will check if we receive nil if something wrong. If we receive nil, not nil, if we receive some error, not nil, we'll write into header status bad request and return. If everything okay, we will slice clean, so we will call also method slice clean from package models in structure numbers, and put result from numbers into this function. After that we should set a header, a content type, application JSON, and set also header status okay. It means 200, everything okay. And also we need to set up response with JSON. So I will copy from a handler function. It will be uh, the same only. I need to change names and create a package models with for functions fun and slice clean. So let's create a directory models and create in this directory a file numbers, and in this file we will have two functions find and slice clean. So let's create a type number. It will be structure with list of integers. The name of this list will be numbers, and the type numbers also will be a structure. So let's create a value numbers with the new numbers. Okay, it needs to separately call this function from this package. So let's define function numbers and function find with input parameters of URL string that we will receive in number package. This function will response number and error. So let's return structure of number and new. It is our wrapper. So then when we create inner code and put a result in a structure number, then then we need to create the same function like find but for slice clean. So let's create it. It will be a func numbers slice clean, and input parameter will be numbers. It is our structure, and in response will be a list of integers. So let's create a value ns with empty list of integers and return this empty list. So in the next lesson we will create inner logic for slice clean and for find. Then we need to set API handle numbers for our main package to for our endpoints. So when we will call endpoint numbers, we will run logic from API handle numbers. So let's check our application server. We need to go to directory where we will run our server. So in this terminal, I use a command cd to move necessary directory and run our application with go run main.go. I will receive a listen port, and then I will call this server like use command curl ix get http localhost 8080 numbers, and as you can see I will receive status 200, okay, and empty list of numbers. So see you in the next lesson. Bye.